In this video, you're going to learn how to be successful on the new Freestyle Weight Watchers program. Hey, it's Hunter here from Hybrid Fitness. I'm here with my lovely, beautiful girlfriend, Melissa. And look, we've got an awesome video today. 3 tips on how you can be successful with the new Weight Watchers Freestyle Points program. Now, it was interesting because you started about, 4 weeks ago-ish?
Yes.
Yeah, so 4 weeks ago. And what was like the first few days for you like?
Tiring, and I was hungry.
Yeah, like...
Super hungry.
Yeah, and
hangry.
Yeah, so we don't want to be hangry, and like I don't want to make her mad at me, but like she got a phone call, I got a phone call from her. She was a little upset, but look, after talking it through, like we made some changes and we made it work. So you went from being hangry, and also you've seen some pretty good progress.
Yeah.
In the past month or so, to now, how do you feel with doing this freestyle point system?
It's easy.
Mm-hmm.
Easy, flexible, manageable.
Easy, flexible, manageable. You heard it from her. So we're going to give you 3 tips that are going to help you kind of get off that, just from making it really hard and really difficult to making it simpler. And the first tip is eating as many 0-point foods as you can in the beginning of the day, ideally breakfast and lunch. So what's kind of your strategy, Melissa, for you when you go to work every day? What do you kind of do?
Well, I always meal prep most of my lunches, and I try to make most of my lunches under 5 points. So chicken and vegetables are all 0, and I always add like a cheese stick or some little crunchy item that I'm craving. So maybe some goldfish or something. So if I had chicken and vegetables and a cheese stick and goldfish, that'd be 4 points. So I try to keep my lunch low so I can have at least 10 to 13 points for dinner.
Yeah. And so I think like the first time you kind of called me and were upset, right? Like you had exhausted most of your points, and it was like after lunchtime and you're like, holy crap, like I what was that?
Like 3 points left for
dinner.
dinner.
Yeah, and you were frustrated and you're like, I literally can't eat anything and I'm so hungry still. And so it's not that you don't have to not eat a lot of food in the beginning of the day. You can really take advantage of those free foods. You're eating chicken, you're eating fruits, you're eating broccoli as much as you want. Eggs, yes. Turkey, until you're full. And once you do that, like you're going to go home with 10 to 13 points is the average for you, right?
Yeah.
You go home, 10 to 13 points left for dinner and snacks and all that. And how does that feel? You don't feel like, tell me.
Well, if you have a lot of points left for dinner, you can eat a decent meal. So when you wake up in the morning, you're not starving, and then you waste all of your points for breakfast.
Cool. So that's the first thing is eat those 0-point foods in the beginning of the day, so that way you have like 10 to 13 points when you get home at the end of the day when your willpower is lower. Number 2, and you mentioned it a little bit, was meal prepping, right? And I think that's key. So tell me a little bit about your meal prepping more specifically.
Well, meal prepping, just having everything ready the night before. So for me, I'm sometimes running late, and if I'm running late, I choose bad foods. Like I'll throw a bunch of these crackers in here with olives and all of that, and then that's like 20 points. So if I have it ready, I can just throw it in my lunchbox in a container, and it's chicken and veggies and fruit, 0 points.
Nice. So cool. So eat 0-point foods in the beginning of the day with your meal prepping. And then the third tip that you've really been working on, which also boosts up the amount of points that you're able to eat, and it also kind of creates what would you call it? An insurance, for it is exercising. And you've been exercising, you said, about 5 to 7 times a week on average.
Yep, I try.
Cool.
But you get points back for exercising.
Cool.
So if you did like a 30-minute elliptical workout with some running and some weights, you can probably earn back 5 points. And it doesn't mean you have to eat those 5 points, but you get it back. It's like maybe I'm going out to dinner tonight, I want some extra points to have something good. I'm going to go work out and earn 5 points. Awesome.
Cool. And, so you follow those 3 tips, and at the end of the week, obviously you do your check-in, like you do your weigh-in. And so the bonus tip is, what do you do? Like, how do you do that?
Well, if I lose weight, I have a meal that I want. So if I'm craving pad thai all week, I get pad thai,
Mm-hmm.
or a burger, or we go out and I get something that I really want. And I don't count it as points. I don't do anything. I don't put it in my app. I just enjoy it.
Mm-hmm.
Because I don't think you can deprive yourself of all these foods. You need to enjoy something. So
Yeah, cool. So you got your 4 tips. Eat 0-point foods in the beginning of the day and at lunch. Meal prep to get ready for that. Maybe the night before. Make it easy so you're not scrambling in the morning. Try and exercise as often as possible. Recommend it if you can do 5 to 7 times a week. And it doesn't have to be like hours, right? Even just 30 minutes. That's gonna get you points back, but 2, it's just gonna help you feel better and make your results more long lasting, right? Because you're really building a healthy lifestyle. And then the bonus tip: when you do lose the weight and you make the progress towards your goals, allow yourself a cheat meal. Of course, you got to. And you do have those like weekly points that bank up too, so you might have a little left over anyways, right?
it's like 30 points.
Yeah, so you're going to build that bank up anyway, so take advantage of that. But those are your 4 tips. Thank you so much for watching. Now, if you liked it, please hit the like button below. If you have any questions at all for myself or Melissa, Melissa's been doing this now. She's seen some awesome progress.
4 pounds, 4 weeks.
Yes, I'm super proud of her. I'd be proud of her anyways, so. And then also, please hit that subscribe button below. We might come out with some more videos. If you guys comment and you're like, hey, like what else is working for you with this Weight Watchers Freestyle thing, we'll create another video for you to help you out, because we're constantly testing things, trying new things out. Yes, every week. So you all have a great day, and we'll see you next time.